The government is exploring rolling out a transit electronic travel authorization valid for 72 hours, which, if adopted, would allow travelers with long layovers to explore tourist sites while on transit. This is part of a collaborative effort between the Kenya Tourism Board and the State Department of Immigration to improve traveler experience and bolster Kenya's tourism sector.
Data indicates that enhanced scrapping of visa requirements in favor of an electronic travel authorization to ease access for travelers, including those from the African continent, has pushed up arrivals to Kenya, especially from Africa, to 41% compared to 29% from Europe. The electronic travel authorization is a semi-automated system that determines the eligibility of visitors to travel to Kenya and is mandatory for all foreign visitors except for citizens of the East African Community member states traveling to Kenya. In this case, the partnership propositions the rollout of a transit electronic travel authorization valid for 72 hours to allow travelers with long layovers to visit tourist sites while on transit. To further boost cultural exchange, a digital nomad work permit is in the offing, targeting remote workers to settle and work from within the country. Capacity building among immigration officers, branding of travel booths and a support immigration desk at the agency are some of the other areas the collaboration between the Kenya Tourism Board and the State Department of Immigration will tackle. Kenya targets to attract 3 million tourists this year. Regina Manyara reporting for Lunchtime News.